Okay, welcome to the garage, and today we're going to talk about my welding rig. It's right here, right by the door, makes it easy, sneak peek. So I have two bottles. I got some argon, 100% argon here for TIG, and I got C25 here for MIG. Up top we have the Lincoln Electric Power MIG 210 MP. This machine's only a couple of months old, but I like it so far. Right now I'm running some flux cord. I have ran classic MIG with it. I do like it. It also runs stick pretty well. I've ran some 7018 and some 6013. It will also do lift TIG, I believe, but I don't have that set up, so I've never tried it. As far as the TIG setup goes, I have the Everlast Power TIG 185 DV. Runs great. Whole bunch of settings, knobs, dials, do all the things. Dial it in, make your welds look shitty like mine. This will also do stick, although I haven't used the stick function on it. Finally, we have the Hypertherm PowerMax 35, yes, XP, which is an excellent little plasma cutter for the home gamer. Full disclosure, I stole the home gamer term from this old Tony. That's basically the rig. The cart's kind of shitty. Gonna do a new one here pretty soon, but thanks for watching.